Hi there, I'm Elsa from Callendar. In this video, I will walk you through how to connect WhatsApp journey with your business tool using the remote event component by Callendar. This feature helps you move data automatically from WhatsApp to your CRM or backend system. The remote event component in Callendar is what turns WhatsApp from a simple chat platform into a fully connected automation platform. It allows your journey to send, receive real-time data. For example, capturing a lead and pushing them instantly into HubSpot. It acts like a bridge between WhatsApp and your tech stack. Every time a user submits a form in WhatsApp, this component sends the data to a function running on AWS Lambda, which then passes it to your CRM, database, or any external API. It is fast, secure, and fully automated. Before we start with the journey, make sure you have a WhatsApp form to collect user data and an AWS Lambda function that processes this data. The Lambda can perform any action like sending data to HubSpot, updating a record, or triggering another workflow. In this demo, our form collects lead information such as name, business type, requirement. Once a user submits this form, it automatically triggers the remote event component. Now let's look at the Lambda function. This code is written in Node.js and runs inside AWS. This piece of code can be created by Callendar's team or the client in-house development team. It listens for a specific event name, in this case sent to HubSpot. When triggered, the Lambda receives the form data, creates a new contact in the HubSpot, and logs the execution in CloudWatch for tracking and debugging. Here is the journey we created. Here, the form connects directly to the remote event node. Once a user submits, the remote event calls the Lambda, which executes in the background and keeps the user experience smooth and uninterrupted. By default, remote event runs silently and continues to the next step immediately. But now there is a new flag option. When turned on, the remote event waits for the response from Lambda before moving forward. This is useful if you want to display real-time or personalized information back to the user in WhatsApp. Let's see how it works. A user starts a WhatsApp conversation, fill out the leads form and submits it. Instantly, the remote event sends this data to AWS Lambda, which processes it and sends it to the HubSpot. Here, in the CloudWatch, we can see the Lambda execution log confirming the event was received and processed successfully. This ensures the remote event and Lambda integration is working correctly. And here is the final result in HubSpot, a new contact automatically created from the WhatsApp form submission. The data appears instantly with no manual input or delay. With this setup, every WhatsApp interaction becomes part of your automated workflow. Thank you for watching, and to learn more, visit our Calendar website. Have a nice day.